rust against my salad fingers is almost orgasmic.
Okay, I'm
already creeped out. Did you make a video?
I'm still making the video.
I wanted to scare you.
Ow, ow! Oh, I totally blew it. Put out the fire, put out the fire.
Here, have a Hershey's.
Hold on! Oh god! Get off of me, powdered pussy. Okay, seriously though, I need my work. They're tiny. Oh god! Whoa, what the heck? Where am I? What the heck? Oh, there I am.
Oh, what the heck is he doing?
I don't know, but I'm gonna kill him.
You can climb up and just kick him and just kick him in. Ow!
Take that powdered wig. You shouldn't exist.
Hard wig. You're screwed, dude.